I am leftover food king. Whatever food that is leftover, Queen Victoria makes sure that I eat it. I can always make a magical preparations with leftover idlis, cut them into pieces. For the first recipe, we are going to make the gunpowder. For this gunpowder, you got to use the ingredients here: red chili, pepper, chana dal, urad dal, fried chana dal, this is optional, sesame seeds, hing and rice. Rice also will give a nice crunch to it. So add all these ingredients and slowly dry roast it on a slow flame. In this add some desiccated coconut, curry leaf, and also add some salt, and just another 1 minute of roasting, and then we can make this gunpowder. So there are various kinds of gunpowder. We make curry leaf gunpowder, we make urad dal gunpowder, we make fried chana dal gunpowder. You can use any of these to make this ghee gunpowder idlis. Let it cool down, make the powder. You can store this in an airtight container for even few months. The last request came from Queen Victoria. Every day morning she eats eggs. So she told me, add these eggs in the idli. So this is going to be nice idli karapudi. So add ghee, add garlic. That garlic will give that extra punch. And while the garlic is getting sizzled, slightly when you see the color, in this add chopped coriander and add the gunpowder. In this, we are going to add the idli, and there is salt in gunpowder and idlis also, but still if you want to add, and first toss these idlis. Wow, look at them. The flavor, the ghee, everything is absorbed by these idlis. In the last, add the eggs. On top of this, add little more of gunpowder. Ready to serve, Queen Victoria, the egg gunpowder fried idli. Drop in these idlis, and there will be some powder left at the bottom. Just top it up with the eggs. Maybe some more chopped coriander. Gunpowder fried idli is ready. Queen Victoria, please come. You are, as per your demands. This is.
I'm always ready to eat.
Wow.
Can I take it?
Yeah. Thank you. So next, I have to make something my son has requested. I quickly grabbed a bite. This was so good. Now, for the fried idli manchuria, add some oil in a pan. We want a little bit of crunch on the these idlis. Put idlis on one side. On the other side, we are going to add some garlic and some ginger. Let these both of them slightly fry. And whatever the idlis that are touching the pan, in just 1 minute of slow frying, they will get little bit of color and they will get crunchy on one side. So when you eat idli, one side it will be little bit crunchy, other side will be nice and soft. While the idlis are getting sizzled, here we are going to add some soya sauce in a bowl. Add little bit of vinegar. When you add vinegar, you need to add a little bit of sugar to cut the sourness. In this, add green chili, add chili sauce, ketchup, a little bit of pepper powder, and you want to add a little bit of MSG, you can add. In this, add some water, that should be good enough. In this, we are going to add some corn flour. So take some corn flour, mix in this without any lumps, just to make this saucy consistency. In this, add capsicum, also add some onion. Now, look at all of this. Turn this one and you can see how on one side they will get little bit of crunch. Just move all of this on one side. Just increase the flame. Look at these idlis, nicely, browned, and they're crunchy, Now add some more oil here on the side, just 1 spoon. And now these vegetables, and when you add, it will start sizzling and it will get a little bit thick also. So here, first let this, sizzle like this, and then slowly we will do the Bharatanatyam here. The idlis will push the sauce on the other side where it is hot. Now the sauce will get thick and these vegetables will also get slightly sauteed. And in no time you will see that the sauce is nice and thick because of the corn flour. And now when this is ready, just toss them. The simple pan fried, whatever little bit of extra sauce is there, the idlis will suck in the juices. Already soya sauce has salt, the tomato ketchup has salt, everything has salt. So just spread this like this, let it become slightly dry. That's when you enjoy. If you need a little bit of salt, just sprinkle a little bit of salt. By now the capsicum, everything has sizzled. Just one more toss. The crunchy idlis with the Manchurian style is ready. Here is the bowl. Add some spring onions here. Give one last toss and transfer them into the bowl. Ah, chingu changu, chingu changu, chingu changu. Once again, just finish it off by adding some more spring onion. And this awesome leftover idli Manchurian is ready. Time to jump in. So, this is the time for my son. Oh, my Kung Fu son. Come on, this is all yours, buddy. And have fun. Take it. It's really hot.
That's really good. Thank you so much.
With the leftover idlis, we are going to make tomato masala idli. And apparently, when he used to work in this salna shop, this used to be very famous. He says, the regular idli we used to sell for 30 rupees morning. And the leftover idlis, they cut into pieces like this and they dry it little bit. And in the evening, they sell the same thing for 130 rupees with little bit of nice tomato masala.
Just one portion.
Just one portion. Okay, now come this side and now show your skills. Add some oil in a pan.
Before heat the pan.
Before heat the pan.
Yeah.
Okay, before heat the pan, just like preheat the oven.
Before switch it on the flame.
Okay, before switch it on the flame, before heat the pan, add oil.
Add kadugu, seeragam.
Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and when they splutter, add garlic. What?
Lots of curry leaves.
Now, when the curry leaves splutter,
Paste.
ginger garlic paste, turmeric, fried cashew nut, okay, in this add green chili and add chopped onions.
So lots of onion using for idlis. Okay.
So add some salt,
Hing.
hing.
The hing is must in Tamil Nadu.
Usually when you add garlic, you don't need to add hing. But here, I prefer garlic and hing both together. How much more frying?
Garam masala. Add chili powder. 1 spoon.
Add tomatoes. Add tomatoes that are nice and ripe. And only then you will get the real good taste and also the good looks.
Yes.
Add water. Ooh.
Yeah.
Usually the idlis, they dry them. These are nice and soft, so you need to handle with little care, okay? Toss them. If you have dried the idli, there is no problem. You can toss well. But these are fresh and soft. So just toss them slowly, not much. I think this is ready.
Money tossing chepandi meeru.
Okay. Money tossing.
Tossing.
Okay, one fell down. That's enough. Now money tossing is over. In this, add
Lots
some
Coriander.
Money already one idli fly over. Now toss very carefully. Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, very good tossing. Very good. Excellent tossing. So very good. Yeah. Now this is done. Excellent. Today's you learned something how to toss. So let's serve it.
Okay.
So this is ready. So look at this beautiful. This Mani Takali fried idli, the fried tomato idli. Yesterday Mani was not walking on the ground. You know,
Shopping.
apparently, you are going and he was shopping. So somebody came and they recognized him. They wanted to.
So many pictures.
So many pictures. They took so many pictures.
So many autographs.
So many. How many autographs? Huh?
So many hugs.
So.
Okay. I'm every shop I will go in purchase the groceries and vegetable markets. So many guys. It's a love for me. Mistake. So many guys recognized for me. And thank you for all comments and all respectable comments and valuable, etc. Yeah, you take a selfie, chef.
Okay, I'll take a selfie. This guy is now so famous. Huh? Okay, what? Yeah, Rajnikant. This is nice and tasty. You know, always food from the pan is the tastiest. Eat and tell how it is.
Okay, eat and tell. How is it?
Yeah, eat and tell.
Hi, how is it? Eat and tell. Okay, now?
Okay. No, not them.
Ah.
You have to eat and tell them how it is. Look at this awesome tomato fried idli. Wow, Mani. So good.
How is it?
Awesome, Mani.
Thank you.
So like that, now you tell.
என்ன சொல்லணும்?
You eat and tell them.
You eat and tell them.
Okay. When you eat the best of the best food, you got to ding chick, ding chick, ding chick, ding chick, ding chick. For the first recipe, we're going to make the gunpowder. Okay. So this gunpowder, fuck, I got almost shot.